if you recently purchased a strong Wi-Fi extender. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your strong Wi-Fi extender using the login method. Let's get started. First, plug your strong Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED becomes stable. Now, open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or computer. Look for the default Wi-Fi network SSID printed on the extender's label. Tap or click to connect to this network. If you're asked for a password, enter the default Wi-Fi password printed on the label. Once connected, open your web browser. In the address bar, type the setup.strong and press Enter key. Extender will ask you to create login password if first-time login. Enter the newly created login password and press Login button. The extender will begin searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks. From a list of available networks, select your home Wi-Fi network. Now type your home Wi-Fi password carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes. Then click Connect button. The extender will save the settings and restart automatically. This may take 1 to 3 minutes. Do not unplug the extender during this process. After the restart, reconnect your phone or computer to the new extended Wi-Fi network. The extender network name may be the same as your existing Wi-Fi or may include _EXT at the end. That's it. Your strong Wi-Fi extender is now connected and ready to boost your wireless network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.